So I've been training for a couple years, pretty solid and regularly now, and the idea at first of a tempo run was a bit of a mystery to me. So I want to share with you a framework that I have in place for my tempo runs, and hopefully they'll help you with yours. Here I'm starting with a 10-minute warm-up jog. The basic idea is you want to peak 2/3 of the way through your tempo run time in terms of intensity. Take whatever tempo run time you're doing. In my case, it's 24 minutes. It's 3 8-minute parts. So the question arises, how fast should you be running on these different parts of your tempo run? I'm going to explain it with relation to your 5K goal pace. For me, it's a 7-minute mile. So for that first part, anywhere 45 seconds to a minute above your goal pace should be close to good. For me, it's 7:45 to 8 right now. For the second part, you want to really get close to your goal pace. For me, I got down to 7:10. I'd say 15 to 30 seconds above your goal pace would be good. You can get even closer to your goal pace if you're feeling good. And in the third part of your tempo run, you're going to bring it back up to 45 seconds to a minute above your goal pace. Give that a try. Keep trying to extend your tempo runs out. For me, I like to get up to around 30 minutes.
Simon says run, keep running. Like, comment, subscribe, baby.